Hello and welcome to Oclef Kinder. My name is Mr. Piano. We're going to look at Ode to Joy today. Let's look at the phrase and what a phrase is. A phrase is a musical idea or thought. A phrase is often shown in the music with a slur, also called a phrase mark. That's this. Do you see this line? Think of a phrase as a musical sentence and each note in the phrase as a word. So let's find our hand position. Our right hand thumb will be on middle C, and our left hand thumb will be on G below middle C. Very good. We're going to start on finger 3 in the right hand and play the right hand only to start. We begin on finger 3. We play 3 2 times. 3, 3, 4, 5. Second measure, we play 5, 4, 3, 2. Third measure, we play 1 twice, step up to 2, 3, 3, 2, 2. So I'm going to go ahead and mark in the finger numbers for the right hand. In the first line, we begin with finger 3 on E. Now you remember our hand position is C major, right? Right hand thumb is going to be on C, middle C. And 3 is E. So we play 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2. Very good. Now at the same time in the left hand, we're going to start with 3 on E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, our left hand thumb is on G below middle C. Our left hand starts not in the first measure, but in the second measure. And we play 3, 4, 5, skip up to 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, and hold 1 for 4 beats. Good, let's try that first phrase hands together. 3, 3, 4, 5. Now when we get here, when the left hand skips up to 2, you'll notice that we are playing both 2s in both hands, okay? So let's go back to the beginning and try that again. 3, 3 in the left hand, skip up to 2 in the left hand, repeat and step up, hold the left hand. Very nice. The second line is almost exactly the same as the first, except the last 2 measures. So let's look at the last 2 measures. In both hands, we play both 2s and step down to 1 in the right hand and 3 in the left. Let's try that again. And then hold for 2. Very nice. Can we try the second line together? Very nice. The third phrase, or the third line here, we just hold the left hand thumb on G for how many measures? Yes, indeed, 3 measures. And in the right hand, we play 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1. Now something advanced that you can add at the end there, where we have D, you can play a G sharp with finger 2. An A with the thumb. F sharp, finger 2. And remember, this is advanced, right? And then we can step up to 1. So the fingering is 2, 1, 2, 1 in the left hand, okay? The notes are G sharp, A, F sharp, and G. Let's just play that left hand part. 2, 2, 1, 2. Try it again. 2, 1, 2, 1. Very good. And the right hand, it will be 2, 1, 2, and then 1. Left hand is the only one playing because the right hand has rests there. Let's try that third phrase together. Very good. Let's go to the second page. On the second page, we begin on finger 3 in the right hand, and in the left hand, we have a fifth, 1 and 5 together. That's 3. Let's try that. 3, 3, 4, 5. And then when we get to the second measure, our right hand is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1. Sounds familiar, doesn't it? The left hand again continues at measure 14. We come in on finger 3 and we play 3, 4, 5, skip up to 2, play 3 twice, step up, step down. Very good. Let's try that again. Very nice. Let's put the hands together at measure 13, top of the second page. Ready, go. And then finger 3 in the left hand. Right hand moves higher for this part, and we play 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 5. Left hand is the same as before. 21 is almost exactly the same, and we play 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 5, while the left hand has 1 and 5. 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 5. This is the same. Now here our right hand moves back down at 25 to middle C, and we start by playing 2 in the right hand. And left hand, we're going to hold G for 3 measures. Let's try this. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. And skip down to left hand 1. Let's try that last measure again. 1, 2, 1. Very good. Let's keep reading. This last part is almost exactly the same as the beginning, except this last measure. So we're going to read this last measure very carefully. We play 2, 1, 1 in the right hand, and in the left hand we play 2, 3, and 1, 3, 5 for GEC. Let's play that last measure together. Very nice. 29, the last line. Good, I hope you've enjoyed Ode to Joy. This is a very, very popular piece among many students, so please feel free to go back to the beginning and try to connect each line without pausing. If you do notice that you're pausing, take some time to slow down and be patient with yourself. That's okay. Parents, this is the same for you as well. If you find that you're becoming frustrated with your child or they're becoming frustrated, take your time. Read the notes slowly. We can always go tortoise tempo. The tortoise always wins. When practicing at home, maintain a steady hand position. This piece is in C major, so remember that our right hand thumb is going to be on middle C, and our left hand thumb is going to be on G below middle C. Keep your eyes on the music, start slowly, then build up speed, and practice in sections like we did, one line at a time, or otherwise known as one phrase at a time. See you next time and happy practicing.